Welcome to The Vector. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and mysterious topic: the creative lifestyle. Does it represent freedom, or is it just a little bit crazy? If you've ever seen a designer transform an empty room into a colorful art space, or an artist use discarded materials to create a stunning masterpiece, you might wonder, how do they do it? Imagine walking into a room where every corner has its own unique style. Every item, every painting is part of a creative story. Do you see this as an expression of creative freedom, or is it just an incomprehensible mess? In this video, we will explore what a creative lifestyle truly means, its benefits and challenges, and whether you can incorporate creativity into your daily life without feeling like you're stepping into a crazy world. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets behind a creative lifestyle. Part 1. The concept of a creative lifestyle. We've just started our journey exploring the creative lifestyle, and now let's delve into its basic concept. But before you imagine yourself as a great artist or an experienced designer, let's decode what a creative lifestyle really is. A creative lifestyle isn't about becoming Picasso or Steve Jobs. In fact, it's about how you live and perceive the world around you. Like a mad scientist with a laboratory full of fascinating ideas. What does that mean? You could start from the smallest things, like how you arrange your desk, to experimenting with quirky recipes you just thought of. A creative lifestyle is truly a form of freedom, but not the kind of freedom you imagine when you see a bird soaring in the sky. Instead, it's about expressing yourself, breaking conventional rules to create something new and exciting. Think of it as joining a game with no specific rules, where every idea is welcome. Imagine standing in front of a blank wall, and instead of just painting simple pictures, you decide to turn it into a 3D artwork with a variety of colors and shapes. That's what a creative lifestyle is. It's not just about working with what you have, but making it come alive and unique. A creative lifestyle doesn't have a precise definition. Everyone can explore and shape it in their own way. Think of it as an adventure with no specific destination, where you are the guide, and everything around you is an endless source of inspiration. So, a creative lifestyle isn't a high art form or a particular mold. It's simply about how you live and experience the world in your unique way. Now, get ready to explore the benefits and challenges of this lifestyle and see how it can make your life more exciting. Part 2. The benefits of a creative lifestyle. Now that we've understood the concept of a creative lifestyle, let's explore the amazing benefits it offers. Did you know that living creatively not only makes you feel like a great artist, but also helps you solve problems and bring joy to your everyday life? First, a creative lifestyle improves problem-solving skills. When you regularly experiment with new ideas, you'll find that your brain becomes more flexible and capable of finding creative solutions to life's challenges. It's like using a pencil and paper to sketch out a perfect plan for a major project, instead of just thinking about it. Next, a creative lifestyle brings satisfaction and happiness. Imagine the wonderful feeling when you complete a creative project, like baking a perfect cake and seeing everyone enjoy it with happy smiles. Creating something from your ideas is not only fun, but also a source of pride. Moreover, a creative lifestyle helps reduce stress. When you immerse yourself in creative activities, you can momentarily forget your worries and pressures. Imagine getting lost in a painting and seeing all your troubles dissolve, like the colors on the canvas. It's a fantastic way to relax. Additionally, living creatively helps you build communication skills and connect with others. When you share your creative projects with friends and family, you open up opportunities to connect with them on a new level. It's like hosting a small exhibition and everyone discussing and praising your work. Finally, a creative lifestyle helps you maintain curiosity and a desire to learn. When you're constantly looking for new ways to create and explore, you keep your mind fresh and ready to tackle new challenges. It's like always searching for new recipes or unique art techniques. Your life becomes richer and more vibrant. Part 3. Challenges and misconceptions. We've explored the wonderful benefits of a creative lifestyle, but like any adventure, it comes with challenges and misconceptions that you need to be aware of to avoid obstacles on your creative journey. First, let's talk about a major challenge: lack of time. You might think that to live creatively, you need to dedicate hours every day to creative activities. But in reality, we often get caught up with work and other responsibilities, making it difficult to find time for creativity. Don't worry, you don't need to be a busy artist to live creatively. Instead, find small moments throughout your day to nurture your creativity, like when you're making coffee or taking a walk. Next, a common misconception is that creativity is only for those with special talents. Many people believe you need to be born with talent to live creatively. But in reality, creativity is a skill that anyone can develop. Just like you don't need to be a professional chef to make a delicious dish, you just need passion and experimentation. Another challenge is the fear of failure. You might worry that your ideas won't succeed or be accepted by others. But remember, creativity doesn't always lead to immediate success. Instead, it's a journey filled with challenges and learning. There will be failures, but they are part of the creative process. Like when you paint a picture and realize you need to adjust some details to perfect it. Finally, don't let others' opinions hold you back. You might encounter people who don't understand or appreciate what you're doing. But a creative lifestyle is about pursuing your own passion, not about pleasing others. Imagine singing a song that only you can hear. But what matters is that you enjoy and take pride in it. So, we've covered the challenges and misconceptions you might face on your creative journey. Remember, despite the difficulties, living creatively is always worthwhile and can bring immense joy and satisfaction. Continue your journey with confidence and passion, and don't let anything hinder your creativity. So there you have it. We've uncovered the secrets of a creative lifestyle. And no, you don't need to be a mad inventor to enjoy the freedom it brings. You've seen the wonderful benefits and colorful challenges of this journey. But the most important thing is, are you ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of creativity? Before we wrap up, remember that each day is a new opportunity to refresh yourself. Try surprising ideas or turn ordinary things into your own works of art. Don't hesitate to let your imagination soar and turn dreams into reality. And here's our final advice. If you feel like you're facing a creative wall, don't worry. Try breaking it with a creative jolt. Just one crazy idea or fun experiment can open new doors and take you to new horizons. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content useful and want to explore more interesting topics, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment about your creative ideas or any questions you have. We're eager to hear your stories. Let your creativity be an essential part of your life. Wishing you a wonderful and inspiring day. See you in the next video.